Welcome to Professionals Lobby. What should be the ultimate recipe for ERP, cooked for the UAE, FMCG, and bakery industries? The ideal solution offers a non-stop 24/7 digital ecosystem. It covers everything from midnight dispatch and morning route sales to multi-kitchen production and demand planning. Phase 1 focuses on midnight dispatch and WMS precision. This includes smart allocation with barcode verification, FEFO logic for cold chain compliance, and route optimization using GPS and vehicle capacity planning. Phase 2 is the moving warehouse and route sales. This allows for spot and pre-sales handling, real-time stock and expiry tracking, mobile printing of FTA-compliant invoices, and instant payment integration. Our omni-channel retail strategy connects the shop to the screen. It features in-store POS, e-commerce, 3P2L integrations, and a unified ERP database for real-time stock and loyalty point management. Phases 3 and 4 cover sunset reconciliation and return management. This process involves automatic sorting for inventory reconciliation, separating saleable from damaged stock, and automated cash reconciliation, including PDC and sales commission triggers. Phase 5 focuses on intelligent demand consolidation. We use predictive inputs like weather and historical sales, consolidating data from all channels. The result is an optimized master production schedule that prevents overproduction and stockouts. Strategic procurement and vendor management includes vendor qualification with performance scoring and halal certification tracking. It also features smart, AI-triggered purchasing and quality inbound processes with strict incoming QC. Phase 6 involves multi-kitchen production and real-time costing. This tracks raw ingredients and packaging to the gram, manages section transfers, and ensures 3-stage HACCP compliance. Live profitability is calculated with precise SKU cost components. The Asset Management and Predictive CMMS module covers machinery and factory assets, using IoT sensors for AI-driven failure prediction and planned preventative maintenance. Fleet and logistics benefit from vehicle registration alerts and GPS tracking. HR and payroll support a digital workforce. Features include biometric attendance, flexible shifts, and remote check-ins. We handle multi-currency payroll, incentives, onboarding, and full UAE compliance, including WPSSIF file generation. The Finance and UAE FTA Compliance Engine provides automated UAE VAT management, corporate tax logic, and e-invoicing readiness. Financial control includes multi-currency ledgers and real-time cash flow management. Executive BI offers real-time mission control with comprehensive views. The CEO gets live P&L and cash position. Production monitors yield and downtime. Sales tracks route fulfillment and marketplace settlement. Professionals Lobby guides you from operational chaos to digital harmony. We achieve a 98% success rate in ERP selection, up to 30% waste reduction, 25% fuel savings, and 100% compliance. Free ERP assessment is available. Visit www.professionalslobby.com for your free ERP assessment.